harnessing the potential of renewable hydel energy in order to sustain and support the growth of national economy.
Dam
should be constructed without the consensus with the consensus of the provinces. The participants were of the view that consensus of the 4 provinces is necessary to intact the federation. The conference stressed the need for developing better understanding among the provinces for water distribution, staying with the ambit of water accord. Conference were unanimous in voicing their concern over Indian intervention. Spent proposed that a similar conference may also be convened.
अल्फाज राजा